Most people give up too soon. This is an important message. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach with my son Julian. Say hi. And I want to share an important message with you. I looked out this morning. It was snowing. We're in our cabin. It's 19 degrees outside. It's absolutely gorgeous, but it is cold. And I got to thinking, most people look out the window of their life and they see the snow or they see the rain and they don't see the coming spring. They don't see the roses and the daffodils and the green grass and the flowers. And so they look out the window of their life and they go, oh, nothing's changed. He's not changing. She's not changing. My business is not changing. The economy's not changing. It's all the same. Nothing's happening. I've been doing affirmations. I've been saying incantations. I've been creating vision boards, and nothing has changed. And yet, the real truth of the matter is that you look around here, it's winter. But underneath that winter is spring. And spring is coming. Most people give up too soon. Look at this little guy. Inside this little guy is a grown man. But, I could give up too soon and say, well, how come he's not a man yet? Look, trust me. Stay with it one more day. Stay with it one more hour. Stay with it 10 more minutes. Stay with your goals. Stay with your dreams. Don't give up. Hang in there. Spring is coming your way. Okay, that's my message for the day. You have a great day because that wasn't an eagle, but you have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.